Gene here with WeatherCall. You know, I love this time of year. The leaves are changing. Holidays are just around the corner. But remember, severe weather can happen anytime. In fact, one of the deadliest outbreaks in recent history happened in December. Do you remember the year? Was it 1999, 2012, or 2021? Well, the answer is C. A tornado outbreak December 10th through 11th, stretching from Arkansas to Kentucky, spawned about 70 tornadoes and unfortunately claimed nearly 90 lives. So remember, don't let severe weather be a surprise. Get the only weather alerting service that calls you 24/7.